Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Glaucoma. Actually, glaucoma is a multifactorial optic disc neuropathy. It is an optic disc neuropathy where there is characteristic optic nerve damage is reported in glaucoma. In glaucoma, important thing is about the aqueous humor formation. So classification of glaucoma. So glaucoma is mainly classified into three types. We have primary glaucoma, and then we have secondary glaucoma, and finally we have developmental glaucoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.